In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see other viewers on your Facebook story with the latest update. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is important because story views are tied to the account that posted the story. So if you're on a different profile, you won't see the right information. Also, ensure your app is updated to the latest version, since the layout and buttons can change with new updates. Once you're on Facebook, go to the top of your home feed where the stories appear. You should see your own profile icon or a tile that says Your Story. Tap on that to open your current story. If you have multiple story slides, you can tap through them until you reach the one you want to check. While your story is playing, look near the bottom of the screen. You'll usually see an eye icon or a small text label that shows how many people have viewed that specific story. Tap on that viewer count. This will open a detailed list of the people who have seen your story so far. On this screen, you'll see the names or profiles of viewers who have watched that particular story slide. You can scroll through the list to see everyone. If someone has reacted or replied to your story, you might also see their reaction or message connected to their name. Keep in mind that you'll only see viewers who haven't blocked you and who are allowed to appear based on their own privacy settings. If you have more than one story slide, you'll need to repeat this for each slide you want to check. Tap through to the next story, then tap the viewer count again to see who watched that specific part. Each slide has its own list, so the viewers can be slightly different from one slide to another. A quick tip: story views are only available for a limited time, usually the same length of time your story is visible. Once the story expires, you won't be able to see the viewer list anymore, even if you had it in your archive. That's all you need to do. By opening your story, tapping the viewer count, and checking each slide individually, you can easily see who has viewed your Facebook story using the latest version of the app.